I'm dead wrong, but player from the crib. So get out on the floor, girl, and get it how you live. And since it's so hot, fuck it, show your pussy lives. You go to Tougaloo, but I know you still flip. Bitch, don't trip, ain't the damn thing changed. I still love my queen, but bitches hit me to the game. So if you got a hoe, shake them cuffs and let it go. Yeah, and let them girls get down on the floor, like a bill.
Get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor. Let them girls get down on the floor, on the floor.
Now don't you hate them old lying assholes, smiling in your face wearing her best friend clothes? I suppose they like the way me and Ben a pimp. You can catch us at Papa Do's eating steak and shrimp.
Or you can catch us at E&J's pouring it up. Flip, whipping caddy trucks, a girl licking my nuts. We some Southside pimps, so we ain't giving a fuck. Poke your girl up in the throat and make her swallow the nut.
We make them swallow the nuts, so follow the truck, lil' flipping David Banner. We got all of the bucks and all of the sluts and all of the hoes, so drop it like it's hot, girl, touch your fucking toes.
Don't touch your toes, and make me a roll, and don't hit the mall, and buy me some clothes, man. And if your boy trip, I'ma bust a clear. Y'all bitches can't fuck with me and
Lil' flip, nigga, nigga, nigga. Yeah, nigga, it's for the real money making niggas out there, you know. Get your motherfucking money, don't worry about the next nigga. Get your motherfucking money. Get your motherfucking money, nigga. Get your money, 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 money.